Welcome to this honest review of RedMagic Pad Nova, a gaming tablet redefining the genre. With top-tier performance, sleek design, and advanced cooling, it's designed to be the ultimate choice for serious gamers. Okay, before we start the review, one request. If you end up liking this video, then please don't forget to click on the like button and please subscribe to this channel. Support honest content.
I don't need to look no further. You are the one I'm certain. Only one that I be holding. When you're loving me, it goes like.
RedMagic Pad Nova showcases an all-metal semi-transparent design with customizable RGB lighting and a lightweight frame. The aviation-grade aluminum build paired with lens-grade aluminosilicate glass ensures excellent durability and scratch resistance. The 45-degree anti-slip chamfer provides a secure grip perfect for extended gaming sessions. This device is more than just stylish. It's engineered for longevity and performance, providing an exceptional gaming experience with an elegant, eye-catching design. The 10.9-inch IPS LCD with a 16:10 aspect ratio offers a stunning 2.8K resolution and a 144Hz refresh rate. This combination ensures smooth, vibrant visuals ideal for gaming and media consumption. The SGS Eye Care feature minimizes eye strain during prolonged use, providing a comfortable viewing experience. With impressive contrast and sharpness, the display brings out intricate details in games and high-definition videos, enhancing the overall user experience with immersive and crystal-clear visuals. Powered by Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 leading version, RedMagic Pad Nova reaches an outstanding Antutu benchmark score of 2,180,000. In the 3D Mark Steel Nomad Lite stress test, it scored a top loop of 1,821 and a lowest loop of 1,799. Almost no difference. Yeah, that leads to a stability rate of 98%. With LPDDR5X memory and UFS 4.0 storage, it handles multitasking and data access seamlessly, whether running demanding games or heavy applications. This tablet delivers top-notch performance, making it a formidable contender in the gaming tablet market. RedMagic Pad Nova offers impressive gaming performance with powerful hardware and responsive controls. The 144Hz refresh rate ensures smooth, tear-free gameplay, while the 8 Gen 3 leading version and advanced GPU handles AAA titles effortlessly. Low latency and minimal input lag provides a seamless experience, making it ideal for both casual and competitive gaming, ensuring an immersive and responsive experience. A 20,000 RPM turbofan and 9 layers of heat dissipation, including a 3D heat pipe, superconducting copper foil, and aviation aluminum alloy, keep the RedMagic Pad Nova cool. This system reduces core temperatures by up to 25 degrees Celsius, preventing overheating and ensuring optimal performance during extended gaming sessions, while also prolonging the device's lifespan. Truly, we have played many GPU-intensive games for hours after hours and haven't noticed any thermal throttling. We have played Genshin Impact, NFS No Limits, Call of Duty, and many other games. I think it's the best Android gaming device that I have ever used. Kudos to RedMagic. With 4 DTS-X Ultra speakers, RedMagic Pad Nova delivers an immersive audio experience. Dual X-axis linear motors enhance haptic feedback, making gaming and media consumption more engaging and captivating with clear and powerful sound. Well, before we listen to some music and experience the sound quality, I need to mention I'm truly surprised by the haptic performance. RedMagic Pad Nova really comes with one of the best haptic motors inside.
You should always sleep with one eye open. You better keep in mind to always look over your shoulder.
Before I talk about this, let me tell you clearly. I personally don't use any camera of any tablet. I just don't like it. But well, I know you'd like to know about the camera performance. So, okay. Featuring a 50 megapixel main camera and 20 megapixel selfie camera, RedMagic Pad Nova captures high quality photos and videos. While primarily a gaming device, the camera setup produces vibrant images suitable for social media or video calls. It adds versatility, making the tablet functional for various everyday needs beyond gaming.
I don't need to look no further. You are the one I'm certain, only one that I'll be holding. When you're loving me, it goes like. Look no further, look no further. Look no further, it goes like. Look no further, look no further. Look no further, it goes like. I never thought I'd find it. A love that feels so perfect. I can't even word it. Yeah, you make me lift up from the ground.
Running on Android 14 with RedMagic OS 9, the tablet provides a smooth interface optimized for gaming. RedMagic Gravity X 2.0 platform enhances user experience with various gaming modes, supporting seamless transition and customization.
You're loving me.
The side-mounted fingerprint sensor on RedMagic Pad Nova offers fast, secure unlocking. It provides quick access with accurate response, ensuring a seamless experience while keeping user data safe and protected from unauthorized access. Well, before we talk about anything else, I need to talk about this RGB thing. RedMagic Pad Nova features customizable RGB lighting with a double RedMagic logo lighting effect. Users can personalize colors and patterns to match their style, enhancing the tablet's visual appeal and creating an engaging, dynamic look perfect for gaming sessions. RedMagic Pad Nova's 10,100 mAh battery offers impressive longevity, even under heavy use. The 80-watt wired charging technology allows for a full charge in just under 1 hour, minimizing downtime. This high-capacity battery, combined with rapid charging, ensures the tablet is always ready for gaming, media consumption, or multitasking without frequent recharging interruptions. RedMagic Pad Nova combines powerful performance, innovative design, and advanced features, making it an excellent choice for gamers. With its robust build and impressive capabilities, it sets a new standard for gaming tablets. Well, now it's my primary tablet, and I'm in love with this RedMagic Pad Nova. I would like to know, what do you think about this tablet? Please don't forget to share your thoughts and ideas in the comment section. If you have enjoyed this video, then please don't forget to click on the like button and please subscribe to this channel. Support honest content.
I believe